Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to deny access or Facebook access to photos on your phone. By the way, this method is the same for iPhone and Android. Just follow the same steps and you will find the same result. Okay, you just need to go to settings, and after that you will go to privacy. For iPhone you will go to security and privacy, and after that you will enter to privacy, and for the Android phone you will click on permission manager, and for the iPhone users, you will go and after that check directly the photos and go and look for the Facebook app and click on none if you don't want it to get your picture. But for Android, you will go and also look for photos and videos, almost the same steps like I told you, and it will give you the list of the apps that you have on your phone. And after that you go to Facebook, and if you want to deny the access to your photo, you just need to click on don't allow, and after that Facebook will no more or no longer have access to your pictures. And like I told you, for the iPhone is almost the same steps. You go to security and privacy, and after that you go to photos and look for the Facebook app and click on none. So like that. I wish you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.